Hey Ryan, this is Stu.
Amy.
And this is Duncan. This is the principal of the school that you and the .com Expo students and everybody who participated in the .com Expo contributed to. Listen dude, we are so grateful for you and all your help. You've made a huge impact. The school looks amazing, and the school's in great hands with Duncan. He's doing an excellent job. And anyway, we wanted to take you inside to go check out the classroom, and one day, Mr. Ryan Lee.
One day, maybe next August.
Yes, see, we want you coming here to meet everybody in person. But in the meantime, we just want to say thank you, and let's go check out your class. All right, let's go. Thank you, Ryan. Okay, does that sound good? You guys okay with that?
Thank you, Ryan.